Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the KD99 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, it is one of the most affordable smartwatch in the market. Okay, and of course we loaded with a lot of features, especially in health and sports function. Okay, so we have here the packaging of the KD99 Ultra Smartwatch, and of course we are going to have the unboxing, checking its design and specs of this wearable. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, okay, this video, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we are ready now, so let's check and let's unbox and review the specs and design of the KD99 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so here on the packaging, we already checked it earlier just to make sure that it has all the contents. So we have here name Watch 8 ultra low power consumption wireless charging. Okay, so simple packaging. We do have the color, popular color, space aluminum case. So it includes the smartwatch, charging cable, and the user manual. Okay, so let's check the contents. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so we have here the user manual. So it is available in English language. Very small, I don't know if I can read this. Okay, anyway, I'm just going to use the QR code for this one to download the app. So as you can see here, it's using the HRY Fine application. Okay, so this application, by the way, it's getting popular for affordable, okay, and basic or entry-level smartwatches, the HRY Fine. Entry-level to mid-level smartwatches. So we have here, we still have to attach this one, the charging cable here, and we have the strap, okay, with steel buckle, force fitting again, magnetic charging cable, and of course we have the smartwatch. Oops. Okay, oh, simple wearable here. Okay, so let's try, okay, to attach the strap first. Oh, by the way, later let's check first the weight of this wearable, okay, before we attach the strap. Usually the strap it weighs around 10 grams, I think. So let's see. So we have here 34.57 with the strap 54. Okay, oh, it's more than 10. Okay, now it's more than 50 grams. Okay, so for the dimension of the wearable, so let's see. We do have here 42, okay, millimeter smartwatch. On the side, let's see, we do have a 34. Okay, for the thickness, not including the sensor, we do have a 10.0. Okay, so let's check the design here. Again, this is the KD99 smartwatch. Okay, so let's focus on the design here. So flat finish. Okay, with it says here it's aluminum space. Okay, you see it here, space aluminum case, and what we have, okay, is the flat black color here. Oh, it's funny. Okay, space aluminum here, but we do have the flat color. Anyway, what can you expect with the smartwatches? Okay, At the back here, so we do have a PC cover. I don't know, maybe IML, but certainly it's not the premium back cover for the smartwatch. A cover that you see in Series 7 and Series 8 smartwatches. Okay, PC material, I think. Okay, we do have here the crown button and the pill shape button on the side. On the other side, we do have here, I think this is rubber. Oh no, it's plastic. We have the speaker, and we have here the orange action button. Let's see if we can attach this one. Okay, okay, so easy attachment. But of course, if it's easy attachment, I'm pretty sure it will be easy to remove also. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's try and wear. You can wear it properly here. Okay, let's check first. Okay, is it easy to wear? And if it's comfortable, let's see. Oh, okay, it's okay, just like other strap for the Watch Ultra. Flexible, and it looks nice, just okay, it looks decent so far. Okay, for the specs, so let's check. So it says here 38.5 by 44. Okay, but as we check, I think it's around 42 by 14 millimeter. I think this is when the sensor is also included. For the screen, we do have the 1.99 inch LCD 250 by 285 pixel resolution, Bluetooth 4.0, 5.0. Okay, so we do have a Bluetooth call here. You have a zinc alloy body, full touch screen. So let's see. KD99 Ultra. Okay, so we have UI. What else? Wireless charging, all-weather monitor, and that's it. Okay, IP68 water resistance. Bluetooth call 2.0. It says here 2.0 by 420 by 285. So what's the real specs here? I think the real specs here is 250 by 285 and 1.99 inch. We'll see, okay, when we turn on the smartwatch. Okay, but so far it looks okay. Okay, uh, just the same, or the same with other Watch Ultra, affordable Watch Ultra that we have reviewed here in this YouTube channel, and just right for the price, I think. Okay, so this is less than 20 US dollars, I think. Okay, this is the bezel here. Okay, so let's check. 1.99 inch. Let's see if we do have a very good screen resolution here. Okay, so hello. So that's it. We do have here. Let's check if this is working. Okay, so this one works, rotary. Let's look for a much lighter watch face so we can see the bezel. Okay, so this is the only one. Okay, so you see here the black border bezel. So far the screen is okay. I guess it's 400, more than 400 pixel resolution, I think, due to the quality. Okay, we do have a split screen, and we have, okay, different menus, and it's already preloaded with watch faces here. Okay, again, let's take a look at the design of the KD99 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, just okay. If you want a affordable, okay, simple smartwatch, I guess seems like this one is okay. Just don't pick the black color. I just don't like the color. Okay, go for the space aluminum, so it will be similar, just like this one. This is space aluminum. Okay, so this is a 49mm version. Then we have here the 44. Okay, you see this size difference. Okay, just go for the space aluminum, so it will look much better. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so watch out for the second video review of the menus and functions features of the KD99 Ultra smartwatch. Goodbye.